Imagine walking into your kitchen, half asleep, and instead of fumbling around for coffee, a tiny Wall-E-looking robot rolls up wearing a red baseball cap and says, "Espresso coming right up." Yeah, that's Memo. And it might be the first home robot that actually deserves to be called a home helper, not another clumsy demo bot. Let me show you why people are freaking out about this thing. So Memo is built by a startup called Sunday Robotics, and their idea is ridiculously simple. Robots should give you back your time, not be a toy, not a science experiment, not something that will work one day. Memo is designed to work in your house, with your mess where nothing is ever where it's supposed to be. And somehow, it actually does. I watched Memo roll into a real kitchen, not a staged lab, go up to an espresso machine, and just start making coffee like it had been doing it for years. It filled the portafilter, tamped the grounds, locked it in, put the cup in the right spot, pressed the button, waited patiently, and then delivered the drink like a little robot barista. That alone is insane. But this robot isn't a one-trick show. Here's where Memo gets wild. Have you ever tried loading a dishwasher half asleep? You know that "I hope this cup doesn't slip" moment? Memo did it with 2 glasses in one hand. One held gently between its thumb and pointer finger, the second balanced with the rest of its hand like it was born to do dishes. I don't know about you, but that's more dexterity than half the people I know, including me before coffee. And Memo does all this without a person behind the scenes teleoperating it. No joystick, no secret human puppeteering it from an office somewhere. This thing learns from people wearing special gloves, over 2,000 of them, who literally act out real chores in real homes. The robot watches those glove movements, turns them into memories, and slowly builds its own intuition about how homes work. That's why Memo feels so natural. It's not guessing. It's not relying on perfect lab conditions. Its brain is full of millions of tiny human motions collected from everyday life. But here's the part that made me stop and rewind the video. Memo's not even trying to be a human. It doesn't walk on legs or wobble around like a prototype from a robot conference. It uses a wheeled base, low, stable, and safe. So if everything suddenly lost power, it wouldn't topple over or crush anything. The team calls it passive stability, and honestly, every home robot should have that. Memo can crouch down to the floor, stretch up to nearly 7 feet tall, and its whole body is covered in soft silicone, so your kids, pets, and toes are safe. It's basically the world's first adorable, responsible roommate. Now, the question everyone asks, can I buy one? Not yet. Memo's going into beta with founding families in 2026. Right now, each unit costs around $20,000 to hand build, but Sunday says mass production should cut that at least in half. And honestly, if Memo really clears tables, loads dishwashers, folds socks, handles glassware, and makes actual espresso, that price starts sounding way less crazy. Because Memo isn't trying to be a robot that looks human. It's trying to be a robot that's actually useful in a human home, and that's what makes it special. So yeah, we finally have a home robot that's more than a marketing video. It's cute, practical, weirdly talented, and getting smarter every month. If this is where home robots start, the future's about to get very, very interesting.